I'm calling it the Little Bow Tote. It's got a knot at the top. First off, you need about 1/3 yard of fabric. All your cutting measurements are found in the pattern. What we're gonna do is, the goal here is I want to serge along both long edges. Look how fast and slick that goes together. I have my hemmed edge on both sides. We are going to create the handle right now. That's basically the middle. And I'm just gonna scrunch this in like this and tie it in a knot. That's it.
Scrunch and tie.
Scrunch
those are the directions.
You're gonna fold it in half, stitch about 6 inches up. All you have to do now is serge along the bottom. That's all there is to it. And now you have this darling little tote